Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, Google Autofill is off. But you can always switch it back on by clicking on the same, now gray sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!